Good morning, students. In last class, we were doing question answers of the chapter, and 5 or 6 questions are remaining that we will do today. After question number 4 we have done, and the last question was, what is a balanced diet? What does it contain? That we have done in the last class, and today we will be doing question number 5. Please take your notebook and write date in the notebook. Then start writing question number 5 and answer along with me without wasting any time, because wasting time is a crime. That's why we should not waste time. Let's write question number 5. Question number 5 is differentiate between communicable and non-communicable disease. Differentiate between communicable and non-communicable diseases. Differentiate between communicable and non-communicable diseases. And the answer for the question is communicable diseases. Let's write the difference now. Communicable disease. A disease that is spread. Communicable diseases, they are the diseases that please write it, diseases that spread from an infected person to another are diseases that spread, communicable diseases that spread from an infected person to another. This is called the communicable diseases. And the example for this is, so many diseases are there. Let's write the example for this disease. Let's write it. Flu, cold, then jaundice, flu, cold, jaundice, then so many other diseases are there, like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid. These are the communicable diseases. Now about the non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases Let's write the answer for this. These diseases do not spread from diseases that do not spread from, that do not spread from, that do not spread from, diseases that do not spread from person to person, that do not spread from person to person. Example, so many diseases are there, like night blindness, night blindness, night blindness, rickets, etc. Now, question number 6. Question number 6. Question is, what are foodborne diseases? What are foodborne diseases? What are foodborne diseases? How do these spread? How do these spread? How do this spread? How do this spread? Let's write the answer for this. What are foodborne diseases and how do these spread? What are foodborne diseases and how do this spread? Foodborne diseases are diseases. Foodborne diseases. Let's write with me. Foodborne diseases are diseases that are caused by consuming, that are caused by consuming contaminated, that are caused by consuming contaminated food. Now, one more part is remaining in this question. How do this spread? Let's write the answer for this. Flies sit on food items. Sit on food. Flies sit on food items. Flies sit on food items. And leaves jump on them. And leaves jumps on them. Flies sit on food items and leaves jumps on them. When a healthy person eats these food items, when a healthy person eats this food item, the person falls ill. The person falls ill. This is the answer for the question number 6. Now we will move to question number 7. What are vector-borne diseases? Question number 7. What are What are vector-borne? What are vector-borne diseases? What are vector-borne diseases? What are vector-borne diseases? Let's write the answer for this question. Vector-borne diseases. Please write it. I hope that all of you are writing this. Writing now? Yes. What are vector-borne diseases? Let's write the answer for this. Diseases that are spread by diseases spread by vectors such as diseases spread by vectors such as houseflies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. Mosquitoes and cockroaches are known as vector-borne diseases. Vector-borne diseases diseases. This is the answer for the 7th question. Let's see. Fifth question. Differentiate between communicable and non-communicable diseases. And the answer is diseases that spread from an infected person to another. Example: flu, cold, jaundice, cholera, etc. Non-communicable diseases that do not spread from person to person. Example: night blindness, rickets, etc. Question number 6. What are foodborne diseases? How do this spread? And the answer is foodborne diseases are diseases that are caused by consuming contaminated food. Flies sit on food items and leave germs on them. When a healthy person eats these food items, the person falls ill. Question number 7 is, what are vector-borne diseases? And the answer is, diseases spread by vectors such as houseflies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches are known as vector-borne diseases. You can take this screenshot. I am getting a site, and you can write later, or pause the video in middle and write it. Okay? Now question number 8. How can we prevent? I am going to rub it now. How can we prevent communicable diseases? Question number 8 is, how can we prevent communicable diseases? How can we prevent communicable diseases? How can we prevent communicable diseases? Question number 8. Let's write it. How can we prevent? How can we prevent? How can we prevent communicable? How can we prevent communicable diseases? How can we prevent communicable diseases? And the answer is, we can prevent communicable diseases by immunization through vaccination. Let's try the answer. We can prevent this is one more communicable disease is on the too much discussion, and that is corona, caused due to coronavirus COVID-19. COVID-19 is the name of disease, and this is caused due to coronavirus, and that's why vaccine for this is being searched and being seen that how can we prevent this disease. So let's try the answer. We can prevent communicable diseases. We can prevent communicable diseases by immunization through vaccination. Now question number 9. Question number 8 we have finished. Now 9 question. How can you maintain proper hygiene? 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 Let's write the answer for this question. Question number 9. How can you maintain proper hygiene? Let's write. How can you maintain proper hygiene? Ways to maintain proper hygiene. Ways to maintain proper hygiene. Please write it with me. Ways to maintain proper hygiene. Question number 8. Sorry, not question number 8. Point A. Wash your hands thoroughly after using soap. After using the toilet. Now, point B. Wash your hands before and
before and
after having, before
and after having your meals.
before and after having your meals. Now question point C. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Then point B. Rinse your eyes with cold water. Rinse your eyes with cold water. With cold water. Then brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. 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 Trim your nails regularly. Trim your nails regularly. Trim your nails regularly. Trim your nails regularly. Then we will move to the last question of the chapter, question number 10. Let's see the question. Why is a good question? Why is a good question necessary for body? Why is a good question necessary for body? Why is a good question necessary for body? Let's write the answer for this question. It gives because, let's write the answer, because it gives a smart look to, it gives a smart look to our body. It gives a smart look to our body and prevents problems such as backache, muscular pain and strength. Muscular pain and strength. Muscular pain and strength. Let's see the answers. We pause the video in middle and write it. Okay? This is all about the chapter. You can pause the
video in middle and write it. I am going to rub it. Now we will see the next chapter, human body
system. Human
body
system. Human body system. Human body
system. This is chapter number 4, human body system. human body system.
The human body is made up of entirely of cells. And what is cell? Cell is the smallest unit in the body. A large number of specialized cells together make up a tissue. Muscles, blood, and nerves are all tissues. Various tissues together make up an organ. Each organ has its own specific functions. The heart, the stomach, and the brain are all organs. Various organs together make up an organ system.
And
The organ system we will see in the next class. Okay, today I have just started this and we will see all the human body system in the next class. Revise the last chapter and read this chapter also. Thank you class.